challenge. Captain Laura, it is now your opportunity to challenge Captain Dan.
I think they should also have to use the microphone for audience sound effects.
Ooh, audience sound effects. Do you accept?
We do.
Excellent, but nicely done. And we'll bring the DJ back over to the red team. Game of audience.
So that we can have another person that might vote. Can the man with the bag take it off now?
Oh yeah, you only have to go. I don't want you to drive home like this and sue us. I like the way you follow directions, though. We have more audience members like you. Okay. Where were we? Oh yeah, we're going to play the game of audience sound effects. That's why I'm holding this. For the game of audience sound effects, I need an audience volunteer. Somebody who knows how to make noises with their mouth and will raise their hand. Ooh, ooh.
Smith.
Okay, see, the show doesn't move until somebody raises their hand. Come on, you don't have to come up on stage. You can stay in your seat. All you got to do is be able to hold a microphone and make an occasional noise. You don't even have to talk. It's just noises. Excellent. Thank you. What's your name?
Ilya.
Ilya. Go ahead and hold the microphone right up to your mouth there, Ilya. Okay, so Ilya, what's going to happen is, let me get a scene suggestion, I'll explain. Can I get something that begins with the letter K?
Kite.
Kite. I'm going to go with kite over killer. So killer sounded interesting, and if you want to work killer in, go for it. Maybe you get an extra point out of it or something. Okay, so kite is your scene suggestion. Now, Ilya, what's going to happen is they're going to do, the red team's going to do a scene based on the suggestion of kite, but we're going to give Rosa a break, and she's not going to do the sound effects like she normally does. So they will provide all the dialogue, but you're going to provide any sound effects that are needed by the scene, okay? So we're going to go ahead and practice real quick. Let's say, hypothetically, I was walking up to a haunted house and I opened a really squeaky haunted house door. Very nice. And then I slam it shut. Excellent, okay. All right. So Ilya, you'll provide the sound effects. They will provide the dialogue. Red team, are you ready for your audience sound effects based on the suggestion of kite?
Yes!
Begin!
Whoa!
Oh, I told you that kite was too much for you. It's a killer.
God, why'd you get the box kite? Because the other ones were too expensive.
Oh, well.
There's pieces of it.
Gosh darn it. Mom's going to be mad at me again. Why did I let you borrow the kite? You're always doing this to me.
Just the pieces?
Yes. Okay.
That's all of them.
You got the glue? Thank you.
Whoa.
There.
Wow. Good. No, we just have to wait for the wind to come back again and it'll take off.
Oh! Uh-oh. Okay, here it goes. Going over to Old Man Nelson! Oh, shit!
What the heck is that?
A box? Right. That's an awfully short string.
That's my kite, Old Man Nelson.
This is my gun. It's got some dust in it.
Why are you always doing this to us?
Giving me your kites?
Yes! Didn't you have a kite when you were younger?
That was a long time ago.
Finish my mind. It'll make you happy.
Okay, can I unravel this enormously large string right in front of you?
Yes.
That was fun.
John.
Let's cut this thing and we'll get a bigger string. I gotta oil these, hold on. There we go. It melted it. Okay. I saved my wife's hair after she died. It was really strong. Try it on there. That's at least twice as long. It's not bad.
Okay. breeze.
Wait for the breeze.
Breeze. Wait for it.
Oh, my prosthetic arm! It's okay. It has a bell on it. We'll hear where it lands.
I think my brother Mikey has it. Whoa! Comes back with an arm attached. That arm has a bell to it, right? Oh, there, yeah, it does work. That's old man's back there. That's his arm. Hey, look at me! My arm's twice as long! It's almost a string now. Hey! It's a rubber arm. Hey, Mr. Nelson!
What kind of sick person would take someone's arm? Your dead wife's hair or something and use it on a kite. So much better.
There's a frog in there. That's awfully nice of you.
Well, do you guys want to play some Xbox Live or something?
Thank you very much. Have a big hand. All right, it's once again time to vote. Oh, yeah, absolutely. Go ahead and give him some offers. He did such a fantastic job.
Use the red one.
All right, once again, it's time to vote. On the count of 3, please hold up the color Wabner for the scene you preferred. 1, 2, 3! I see more reds than blues.